3, 2, 1.
Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and today we have the April 2025 Snap-on Sales Flyer of the Month. There's some new tools in this and the power inside. So you know what, let's get right into it, everybody. Let's not waste any time. So here we just got some promotion. Snappy is letting you know the different colors that you can get the tools in. And you know what is your favorite color? You know, let me know, what is your favorite color? For me, my favorite color, actually, I think I really like this blue quarter drive one. I got it on sale for one of, I think it was last Christmas it was on sale. But I do like the green a lot too. I like the green. The red's kind of meh. And then, well, this one's a soft handle and it's in red, but I really like the blue. What's your favorite color? And in terms of screwdrivers, you can see orange is my favorite color. For picks, green is my favorite color. And for pliers, red is my favorite color. But really, I should probably change that. But anyway, I'm just sticking with red because I got so many red ones. All right, let's pan to the next page. So here we have a 40-inch 6-drawer power roll cart. Now, these aren't on sale. These are new tools. So I always like to show the new tools because, you know, a lot of us are interested in what old Snappy's coming up with. So I'll let you sort of freeze frame there if you want to read all about it. But basically, there you go. Tools not included. You can store a bunch of stuff a little bit differently, and I don't know if it's really would be worth it or whatever. It's kind of more of a specialty type thing. But anyway, you decide. Here's what gets me excited right here. This 3-piece Instinct handle non-marring trim pad tool set. It is $132. It's a unique selection of tip profiles. Now, they're using their, I guess, soft handles here. But these used to be sold sort of by themselves. Kind of like these tools here. These are obviously cheaper ones, but they were just sold like this. So now they're putting soft handles on them, and that's actually a lot nicer for your hand. But anyway, I'm very interested in these. If anyone's bought them, I know a lot of my viewers, sometimes you guys go out and get them right away. Please let me know because I'm just very curious about those. Next up, we have a 2-piece Instinct soft grip short radiator pick set. I really am interested in these. I would like them. But oh my God, $95 each. That's like 200 bucks just for the two. I really like how these are short. The set I have here is obviously the longer one. And you know what? I just use like really 2 of these. I barely ever use the long ones, but I got them in a set because I got them on sale. But it's like anything. You buy the set and you wind up using 2 out of it. And maybe these are the 2 that you'll use the most. I don't know. What else do we have here? We have a flexible magnetic tool pouch. That's $117, 10-pound holding capacity. And here we have a retractable clip removal tool. A little bit too pricey at $119. Just can't support that, everyone. Let's go to the next page. Now here we have some surface prep. So these are some tools. We have cordless on this side and we have air on this side. Interesting to know the price difference because this is that crud tool that is supposed to be really good for getting out like seam sealer and stuff like that. And it's $1,230, and that's at 14.4 volt. You can get up to 110 off. But if you look at the air tool version, it's $925, so a little bit cheaper. And I wonder how much more powerful the air tool would be compared to the electric tool. If anything, I think the air tool is probably better, guys. Anyway, it's not going to overheat, that's for sure. Let's pan down here. Now here we have a little polisher. I like it, but I don't like the price. $785. It's got a 2-speed gearbox now, 3,500 and 15,000 RPM. So it obviously can't be a rotary, not at 15,000 RPM. At least I don't think so. It's probably some type of just an orbital sander. Anyway, I think that's a little bit too pricey for that, but maybe it works really good. I don't know. Let me know. Down here, we have the 18 volt, and this is the Monster Lithium Cordless Band File Sander. The tool only, keep in mind, $680. And then if we go over here to the band sander for air, it is $830. And obviously you don't need a battery because it's air powered. Let's scroll up here. We have our orbital sander. I hear wonders about these things and they actually work very, very good. It is $520. And then that is a crud removal tool that we just spoke about. So here we have some Bogos on this page. So you buy and you get for free. What do you buy? So here we have an 8-piece 3/8 drive impact set. It is $520. You can see it comes with some various flat tips. Number 2, number 3, number 4 Phillips sockets, and you even get a posi drive. And then you get the 24-inch dead blow hammer for free. And that is, or I should say it's a soft grip. It's a ball peen. I said dead blow. I know because it says dead blow there, but it is a ball peen. So it's not like one of the, anyway, you know what I mean. It would be regular $178, but you get it for free if you purchase that. So maybe not too bad. If we step over here, we can see we have a 12 piece here. This is 1/2 inch drive, so we're getting a little bit bigger here. $845, it's got multiple pieces here, so you can buy this and you can get this, wait a minute, or you can buy both. So you buy this one, it's $845, or you can buy both. This one, mind you, it's quite a bit more. It's $1,200, but it's a 3/8 drive, but it's got 36 pieces, so quite a bit. And then you can get the 32 inch, or sorry, not 32 inch, 32 ounce ball peen soft grip dead blow hammer, which is regular $199 on its own. You will get it for free if you buy one or both. Really up to you. Let's turn the page, everybody. Let's turn the page. So here's nothing. We just got some advertising. So let's keep turning the page, everybody. What do we got here? All right, we got some creepers. So efficiency and comfort can be yours. All right. So we got a standard creeper, and it is $386, and it's in red. And you know what? I got a black one. Mine has the thing here, the pillow thing, whatever, that pops up, and I really like that. But I kind of wish I got mine in red, looking at the red ones. So here's mine, and it actually does look pretty decent in black. I thought the red would look a lot better, but maybe I did do the right thing by getting the black one. Mine's got this thing that just sort of, you can lift it up, and you know what? I really like it, and it's like super comfortable. So maybe I didn't go wrong getting the black. And then if we pan down here, we have a creeper seat. It is $276, and it's got a drawer. I find that I never use these drawers, so I just bought the regular creeper when it was on sale. And that's the one that I bought that was on sale. It's a heavy duty one. It is super soft, and I really like it, guys. So anyway, that's the one that I got. Next up, we have the folding mat. It's 54 by 33 inches. It's on sale for $193. I did buy it. It's 9 segments. It takes a bit to learn how to fold it up properly, and it actually comes instructions with how to fold it up. I did buy it. I'll throw up the link if you want to see one of my hauls, and it's in there, and you can just scan through and see how it is. I sort of do a little review on it. And it is kind of cool. I do like it, and I do use it. Now here we have, these are not for swimming in the water that'll keep you, afloat. I bought this 5-pack right here, and you can see here's what it is right here, and I really like it. It's sort of got a different type of density in the middle, and I really do like it. But you know what? The one thing that I regret is buying this set, and I'll tell you why. I wish I would have bought the bigger ones. They're not that much more money, and I find that this one's good only if you're using one knee. If you want to put 2 knees down, I should have got the bigger ones. Anyway, I screwed up, so maybe someone's going to get the rest of these for Christmas or something. I don't know, but I should have got the bigger ones. These ones are probably a little bit too big, and those ones are on sale for $308. You can see the size there, just over 15 inches by 38 inches, and they're all the same thickness, 1 1/8. So anyway, that's with that. Let's pan over to the next page. Now over here, we have some 3/8 ratchets. Now we all love snap-on ratchets. What's pretty interesting is they're the dual 80 ones. They're not really doing those 100 teeth ones. I don't really see those ones around anymore. So one of these I wouldn't mind getting, to get around blind corners and stuff like that. It is $243, but I don't see it on sale. I'm trying to get you some focus there. Sorry, everyone. It is $243. And there are the colors that you can get it in. So maybe I can add it to my my Ratchet collection. I don't know. Anyway, we have another one here. This is 3/8 again. It's $211. It's a long handle. And then I believe we have one more down here. And this is your regular size ratchet. And this one is $195 again. There's all the colors you can get. Now, if I must say, here is my favorite ratchet. It is just the small one, so it's not even like the regular short one they have. It's like, I don't know what it is, but anyway, it's a flex head, and I really like it, and I can get in like a ton of spaces, and anyway, this is my new go-to ratchet. And if I can say, this is what kind of started me off with ratchets. This old one from my grandpa, this one was, I don't know, probably in the 60s or something, or 50s he got it or whatever, but I always liked snap-on ratchets ever since I got this one. So still keep this one in my toolbox because it's a little bit sentimental. All right, so let's turn the page, everybody. Let's see what we got here. Okay, pack a punch, 3/8 drive, and we have one side air, one side micro lithium battery, 14.4 volts. Let's see how much they are. You can get up to $95 with your trade-in. So here, $835, you get the whole tool here. But keep in mind, for $835, you are getting 2 batteries and a charger, and trust me, those batteries are expensive. If you want the tool by itself, you can get it for $475 at less the $50. And if we flip over here to the air side, you can get up to $90 off with the trade-in. It still is quite expensive at $770. That is crazy. It is a stubby, but still. If any of you recognize this one, this is my old 3/8 one, and I still use it to this day. This is like an ancient one, but you know what? It still does the job. Now, if we pan down here to look at some of the specs, we can see there's the air and there is the battery power. Look at the breakaway torque difference from the air. 700 foot-pounds versus 225 for the battery. Working torque is 500 versus 150, and they weigh about the same. So, wow, a lot more power with the air. So over on this page, we have some commercial shop equipment. So this is just air conditioning stuff. So I don't think anyone's really too interested in these things. But anyway, if you want to pause the video, there you go. Let's flip the page. And that is it for the flyer of the month. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, I am GarageKing. Leave them down below. I do answer everything. That is it. GarageKing over and out. And I will see you again. Thanks, everyone.